What makes Superb Ideas Events Management different from other event planners and coordinators? From a supplier's point of view,
Superb is, pag sinabi kasing superb, and lalo na is nasa South sila and then dumating sa Tarlac. Pag sinabing superb is quality and then very standard. Pag sabi si client na, mga ganito yung peg namin. Very detailed si superb. And then, ang masasabi ko lang is very standard sila. Hindi lang sa client nila, which is not ang supplier. And then, ginagawa nila is, client is not a customer. Ginagawa nila family. Not only in the client, so lahat ng supplier, family ang tingin nila. Humble. Very humble ang hindi lang dahil kinukuha ka niya supplier, pero kahit na hindi siya sa there, very humble si Superb.
We have worked with a lot of suppliers, coordinators. So for me, one that Superb is really different from others because on the executions of plans of the weddings, papansin namin sobrang organized. Actually, every time na may nagtatanong sa amin na client, na kung meron pa silang may kaming coordinator, lagi namin tinatanong is, anong type of coordinator gusto niya? Pagka kung gusto niya ng jolly, si ganito. Pero kung gusto mo na organize at gusto mo ng sobrang linis, sobrang suwate, super. All the way yung super. Wala pa ako nakita ng ibang coordinator na kasing organized sa super.
As a photo and video supplier, napansin po namin sa Superb na hindi lang sa client yung care nila, yung pagmamalasakit nila, kundi pati sa mga suppliers. Kung paano po sila mag-care sa mga client, ganun din po sa mga suppliers. Talagang inaalagaan po nila yung mga suppliers. Organized.
Okay, first of all, I am so much grateful to have a Superb family, and ang masasabi ko lang na difference Superb sa ibang family event planning is napaka-smooth ng bawat event namin. Dahil nandoon yung preparation, yung before event day, months before, mag-update na sila na may upcoming booking from that specific date. That's why all events sa Superb, lagi naming na-execute ng maayos. Masasabi ko lang sa Superb family is napaka-authentic. Dahil lahat ng event namin, hindi kami nagka-bad feedback, and lahat ng in-refer namin naging success.
Superb is very details. Napakagaling nila sa pag-message sa akin, pag nagpapagawa sila ng mga entourage, napaka-meticuloso yung tapos sa mga flowers na gusto nila, yun naman, binibigay ko naman yung gusto nila. Superb is superstar. Pasikat ng pasikat ang Superb.
Ang license sounds supplier po sa Superb Family North. Pinagkaiba po nila sa mga ibang mga coordinators is sila po yung sobrang nag-care sa amin ng matagal na almost 1 year na kaming official sound system. Binibigyan nila kami agad ng food packs, ng kung saan kami ipapesto sa mga booth namin, and yun po. I can describe Superb in one word as caring. Kasi lahat po ng staffs, magsimula po ng CEO hanggang head coordinators, hanggang coordinators. Maganda po yung touring nila sa amin. Tinuturing po nila kami as family. Kaming lahat po ng mga staff po namin sa Rise and Sound. Ayun po.
Pagkakaiba ni Superb sa lahat ng nag-plan ng wedding, very professional. Napakabait ng mga staff, napakabait ng mga coordinator, hindi nila pababayaan yung client. From the start pa lang ng meeting, up to the end, wala kang maririnig na pagod. Hindi mo maririnig yung term na pagod sa Superb. Ang daming humahawak sa akin na coordinator. Lahat naman sila is okay. Pero masasabi ko lang, ibang-iba yung nararamdaman ko pag si Superb ang kinikater ko. Mula kay Ma'am April hanggang sa mga staff, sobra. Wala akong masabi. As in, pag na-rouse ko na yung event na ito, naiiyak na lang ako. Ayun, napakahusay. Napakagaling. Brilliant idea lahat. From food tasting, as in wala akong nagiging problema. Sila lahat, sila Sir Christian and Ma'am Chen, sila na lahat, kulang na lang sila na yung mag-discuss sa mga client namin na kung ano yung ulam. As in, nakaantabay lang ako sa kanila. And then pag sa mismong event na may nagkakaproblema kami sa time, especially sa time. Pero grabe lang talaga. Parang hindi nila ako tinotoxic. Parang iniisip nila kung paano namin mairaraos. Ang napag-uusapan naman is dapat yung food is maunang kumain yung mga, especially yung couple. Pero grabe, nagagawa ng paraan Sir Christian and ni Ma'am Che. Especially si Sir Juan Carlo, kasama siya dyan. Nagagawa nila ng paraan. Hindi nila ako tinotoxic, especially si Michael, yung driver namin. They make sure na safe, na ma-deliver yung food. Sorry. Ayun, basta sobrang thankful lang ako kay God na napunta ako sa Super Family. And mula sa umpisa hanggang sa dulo, grabe, hindi ko sila iiwan. Super is super.
Wedding industry. Magaan sila kasama. And then, doon mo makikita yung professionalism nila tsaka creativity. Hindi lang sa kanila, kundi lahat ng hawak na supplier. Andun talaga. Andun yung creativity and then yung passion. Hindi mo talaga yung passion when it comes to professional. Hindi sila yung supplier na basta-basta lang. Kasi bawat gano'n nila maingat at saka makikiroon lang talaga sila sa bawat supplier. Wala nilangan dyan, abot yung bawat supplier, kung bibigay sila. Kung tubig, kailangan ng tubig, ganyan sila. Issue, mag-abot sila. Magaan sila kasama sa work. Mapapadali, mapabilis ang trabaho.
And every meeting, the client needs.
Based on your experience.
Yes, based on our experience.
As one of their clients. So we highly recommend Superb Ideas. And we're grateful that they are one who manage our special day.
Metikuloso sila sa mga bagay-bagay na like sa mga suppliers dapat kung anong gusto na try, yun dapat
Well, first of all, I am very flattered to be considered by Superb as one of the top hosts here in the province of Tarlac. And from the question itself, what makes Superb different? Well, all I can say is that from the business name itself, Superb, so that means they go beyond what they are doing, especially in terms of events management. So Superb is simply superb. There is no other word that can explain Superb, how they do their service. They just always go beyond of what they are expected to do, and that's where they got their name from, Superb. Well, hindi na po ako lalayo pa from their name, Superb itself. That's how I can see the business itself. So they're just not giving the minimum service that they are required to do, but they are always exceeding of the services that they can offer to their clients. So if you're planning to have your event in the future, Superb is one of the best choices you can ever have. And I am confidently saying that once you consider Superb in your events, you're just also, it's like you are planning an event where it's going to be, well, from my experience working with Superb Events Ideas Management, the first word that comes to my mind always is the word superb. It's na kung saan pinagalingan ko na kanilang pangalan. So, Superb is simply superb. They are always giving their best in every event they cater. And for me, that's one thing that we are very lucky to have as a clients. So for all of our clients who are planning to have their events one day, you may consider Superb to be your event partner, because I am telling you guys, they will give the best service that they can, that you deserve. And that's where you can say that Superb is really a superb events management service provider.